In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create order form in Google Forms. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable form customers can use to choose products, specify quantities, and send you everything you need to fulfill an order. Start by opening Google Forms and creating a new blank form. Give your form a clear title, like Order Form, and add a short description that sets expectations. This is a great place to note pickup or delivery options, lead times, business hours, or any order deadlines, so customers know exactly what to expect before they start. Begin with the essentials you must collect on every order. Add fields for full name and email, and make them required. If you handle delivery or shipping, include an address field. For local pickup, a phone number can help coordinate handoffs. Keep labels short and clear, and use the required toggle on anything you can't process an order without. Next, build your product selection. For a single choice per item, use multiple choice or a dropdown. If customers can buy more than one type at once, use checkboxes so they can select multiple items. In each product's label, consider adding a brief descriptor, like size or price, to reduce back and forth later. If visuals matter, you can add images to questions so customers see what they're ordering. To capture quantities, add a companion question for each product. A drop-down with numbers is quick and prevents typos, while a short answer with response validation works if you need more flexibility. Be consistent so the form is easy to scan. For variants like size or color, use a drop-down so customers choose one option, and keep any add-ons, like gift wrapping, as separate checkbox questions. If your catalog is larger, organize with sections. Group similar products together and use simple language at the top of each section to guide customers. For advanced flows, you can send people to relevant sections based on earlier answers, which keeps the experience focused. Before sharing, open settings. Choose whether to collect email addresses automatically. Decide if responses are limited to one per person, and customize the confirmation message with next steps, such as fulfillment timelines. Connect the form to a Google Sheet so every response lands in one place. This is helpful for tracking totals or inventory. Since Google Forms doesn't calculate sums by itself, you can handle totals in Sheets or follow up with a payment link after reviewing submissions. Use the preview to test your form end-to-end, submit a sample order, and confirm everything looks right in the spreadsheet. When you're ready, share the form link, and when inventory runs out, toggle off. Accepting responses with a friendly message explaining when orders will reopen.